Hi, friends. It's Miss Colleen. I'm going to keep reading our book, Grumpy Bird. Do you remember? In our book, we met some of our characters. We met Bird. He's very grumpy. And he decided to go for a walk, and he met up with Sheep. Sheep wanted to go for a walk too. And then they met up with Rabbit. And that's where we left off in our story. So let's keep reading. Make sure that you have your communication board so you can comment along as we read. Here we go. Bird walked past Raccoon. "Hey, Bird," said Raccoon. "What are you doing?" "I'm walking," snapped Bird. "What does it look like?" "Looks like fun," said Raccoon. "I'm coming too." Like, go, to. Raccoon likes to walk. To. They're gonna go. Did I hear somebody say raccoon? Yeah, Bird is gonna walk with Raccoon. Let's turn the page. Bird walked past Beaver. "Hello, Bird," said Beaver. "What are you doing?" "Let me give you a hint," said Bird. "You do it by placing one foot in front of the other." "Walking," guessed Beaver. "I love walking." There's Beaver. He likes to walk. He's gonna do it with his friends. Like. You do it. Are you thinking about what to say? You might say, go. Bird, go. Raccoon, go. Beaver, go. Let's turn the page. Bird walked past Fox. "Good day, Bird," said to Fox. "What are you doing?" "Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing?" shouted Bird. "I'm just walking, okay?" "Okay," said Fox. "Let's go." Hello. What? What are you doing? Go. You're going to go for a walk. Go. What are you doing? Fox said, "Hello." Did I hear somebody say walk? Yeah, they walked too. Let's turn the page. Bird walked, the other animals walked. More. Go walk. Look at everybody. There's Bird, Sheep, Rabbit, Raccoon, Beaver, Fox. Go walk. More. Did somebody say like? They like to walk. I like how you all are talking with your parents or the friends at your house. Keep talking and commenting on our book. Let's turn the page. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird, stop here. Bird stopped right there. Let's turn the page. Bird, stop here. They all stopped. Did you say what? What are they doing? Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. He stand too. Oh, he's on one leg. Sheep's on one leg. Bunny's on one leg. Raccoon, beaver, fox, they all lift their leg. He stand too. I like how you're making comments about our book. Maybe you said more. Let's read more. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. Oh, they're jumping in the air. Bird jump too. Bird jump too. Sheep jump too. Rabbit jump too. Raccoon jump too. Beaver jump too. Fox jump too. They all jumped. Did I hear you say, I want jump? Do you want to jump? Hey, this is fun, said Bird. He like happy. He like happy. Bird is happy. I like how you're talking and adding to the book. Let's turn the page. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. Go. Not grumpy. Go. Not grumpy. Bird is not grumpy. Bird is happy. Are you happy too? The end. Like, not like. All right, everybody. Let your mom or dad or sister or brother know. Did you like Or did you not like the story? I liked the story. That was our book, Grumpy Bird. I liked that book. We met many friends. We met bird, sheep, rabbit, and today we met a few more friends. We met beaver, raccoon, and fox. We met all our friends as they took a walk today, and they went from being grumpy to very happy. I hope you enjoyed the book. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.